Something interesting happens when you give an AI your own data.
You can ask an AI a general question. The answer you get is usually clear and confident.
Then you provide your own private data like a company document or your own notes. And suddenly, the quality of the answer drops. It might feel vague or just incorrect.
The system responds just as fast, but something in the process has broken.
On public topics, the AI relies on patterns it has learned from massive datasets. With your data, however, it must work with information it has never seen before.
This small shift in context is where the problems often begin.
To handle private data, many systems use a process called retrieval-augmented generation. Here, the AI no longer uses its learned knowledge. It only reacts to what it's shown. Every question you ask triggers 3 simple steps. First, your question is used to search your data. Second, the system selects a few relevant parts from that data. Finally, only those selected parts are sent to the AI along with your original question.
The AI never sees the full document. It only sees the pieces that were retrieved for it.
Let's use an example to see where this can fail. You ask about your company's leave policy.
If the system retrieves the correct section on leave limits, the answer will be accurate. But if it retrieves a general HR paragraph, the AI still answers, often with the same confidence.
The failure, then, is not in the AI's answer. It is in the information the AI was given.
This highlights 2 important ideas. Grounding asks if an answer is true to the source provided. Coherence asks if the answer sounds logical and fluent. AI is excellent at coherence.
This is why these failures can be hard to notice. The answer sounds correct, even when it isn't.
For this reason, showing sources and providing citations is essential for building trust.
Good systems don't just provide an answer, they make their grounding visible.
This was a foreview of the challenge with AI and private data.
Trust doesn't come from a coherent answer, but from one that is properly grounded in a source.
Tech Foreview.